Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we have another property tour. And for today's tour, we're gonna be checking out a 3-bedroom townhome that has a backyard and is still in the 300,000s. It's fairly affordable here in North Las Vegas in the brand new community of Heritage Square by Harmony Homes. And for today's tour, we're gonna be checking out unit number 3, and I'm pretty excited to show you guys because, to be honest, guys, this is my favorite unit here in this community. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that bell for notifications. That way, when I do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Now let's get started. All right, guys, so here we are in North Las Vegas, and we are checking out the community of Heritage Square by Harmony Homes. And for today's tour, we're gonna be checking out unit number 3. I just did a property on unit 1 and 2. I'll have the link on your top right-hand screen if you wanna check one of those units out, feel free. But I do recommend checking out this one because, to be honest, this has been a highly favorite from most of my clients and from people that do see my channel, because they do have this pretty much this same floor plan in different areas. Now they just opened one here in North Las Vegas, and pretty excited, guys, because that just means more options, different locations, and not just that, guys, really good price, because these are starting as low as 305,990 to up to 352,990 base price. So if that's your price range, then you're in the right place, and definitely recommend staying to the end because this is going to be a nice tour, and I'm pretty excited. So here on this side, guys, you do have the entrance to unit 3. So this is a townhome, guys, but this is like how can I explain? It's like a big block building, right? Where you guys all share the same building, just your units on a different side. So on this side is unit number 3. And then let me walk over here really quick, guys, just to show you. That way I could give you a nice detailed tour and you guys understand fully of what you guys are touring and what you could potentially buy if it's something you're interested. That balcony is to unit number 1. And then you got the entrances for unit 1 and 2 on this side. And then that backyard you see over there, that's for unit number 2. Unit 1, you don't get a backyard, but you do get a balcony. And I know you don't see it right now, but these are gonna be garages. So each unit is gonna have, for unit 1, you get 1 car, unit 2, you get a 1 car, and for the unit 3, you get a 2-car garage. Let's check it out, guys. Barely starting construction, not even a building fully completed yet. And let me give you guys the full details on this bad boy. So let's put the camera right here so you can see it. So this one is unit number 3. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It is 1,499 square feet. And like I mentioned, it comes with a 2-car garage. And starting base price for this one, guys, is $352,990. And really quick, guys, the builder is speccing these units out, meaning they're already building these units in advance and picking the upgrades for you guys. So there's no changes you can make. And they're typically adding about 15,000 or so on average on top of that base price. So just to give you an idea, they do have a quick move-in ready. The out the door price for this one is for that one is $366,579. So roughly, you know, a little bit more, not too much more than your base price. And you know, if you want more details on that unit that's available, I will have my contact info, guys. So just give me a call, shoot me a text, whatever you guys want. So enough of me yapping. Actually, they give you guys more details in this community. So they are going to be building 36 buildings, meaning 36 of these buildings, and each building does have 3 units. So total units here is going to be 108 units. So let's walk over here really quick, guys. What I do like about unit number 3, to be honest, you are going to have your own private entrance, because the other side shares the same, not the same door, but side by side unit 1 and 2. And look right here, guys. You have like, I don't know, a little storage right here. Interesting, I like that. Maybe for your trash cans, nice spot for them. Then here is the entrance to unit 3, but we're not gonna go in through it because it's locked from here. Just wanted to show you here the front entrance, and you do have a backyard as well, and we'll show you when we're inside because we do have access to the backyard. And as we walk inside, guys, they are currently offering 6% towards closing costs and rate buy down if you do use their preferred lender. And also all appliances, refrigerator, washer, dryer, stove, microwave are included with your home purchase. So right now we're actually going to go into the sales office. Be mindful, guys, this would typically be your garages. Your garage would probably be like, I don't know, probably to like right here onto over there, maybe a little wider, but you would have a 2-car garage. Not sure if you could see it from here, but yeah, just got to use your imagination. So right now we're gonna go through the sales office. All right. So on this side is that unit 3, this is the unit 2, and that's the unit 1. So then right here, like I said, use your imagination, you would have your garage. And really quick, I wanted to show you guys the finishes that they are using. Like I said, they're picking these out for you. You can't come and say like, hey, I want this type of countertops. They're already speccing these out. I just wanted to give you a quick view of, here's the tile flooring, countertops, carpet, and then the colors of the cabinets. White is missing. See, nice finishes in my opinion. Now let's go in here to unit 3. All right, let's let that door close. 8-foot ceilings. This one has tile flooring. To the left, you have the staircases to go to the 2nd floor. You have a window right here. And then right here, you have a coat closet. Then straight ahead, living room and kitchen. Then right here, immediately, guys, here to the left, you are gonna have a powder room right here. Let me show you, good size. Currently being used as a public bathroom for the builder. So I'll show you real quick. Then right here, you're gonna have your laundry downstairs. Like I said, washer and dryer are included. Ooh, I like those cabinets. Extra storage for that, you know, detergent, softener, whatever. Then you come over here. So that door is gonna be to the exterior where I showed you guys in the beginning. But let me show you guys here. Your living room, got a dining over there. And then this kitchen, guys. Check it out. Definitely loving this island. I don't know what shape it is, but let me know. Definitely not your typical shape island. Easily, you could definitely fit 3 people here, but you could fit another one over there, then another one over there. So I would say easily 5. Maybe if you want to push it, 6. But check out these cabinets, guys. Very modern looking. Do love how it has a black hardware. So let me see, are they soft close? They sure are. Are the drawers soft close? Let's see. Oh, let's see, maybe. So it looks like just the cabinets are, not the drawers. And then you got the quartz, tile backsplash, black backsplash, digging that. Yeah, okay. Then you got your refrigerator, like I said, that is included. Your stove, microwave, all included. Your dishwasher, your sink. Check it out. Washing dishes, watching the Raiders play. Whoever your team is, whatever sport, or maybe just watching a movie on Netflix. But here, would be your view. Not bad, right? Then right over here, pantry. Good size pantry, in my opinion. Check it out. And then right over here, guys, you do have at least some room for a dining, right? I know I did some of these tours in Henderson. I think they put like a little bar here, but definitely put a small dining. If it's 4 people, then right over here is your living room. And it gets better, guys, because you do have a backyard with this one. It's not gonna be your biggest, guys. Before you start going off on me in the comments, it's not your biggest backyard, but guys, at the end of the day, guys, it is something, right? Enough to definitely put a nice barbecue pit out here. A table, even a swing, a little canopy, something, right? So not bad. And this is the in and out gate. When I showed you from the exterior, that's where I was out there showing you guys. But I mean, here's your backyard. So only unit 3 and unit 2 do have a backyard. Unit 1 doesn't have a backyard, but it does have a balcony. And keep in mind, you're not gonna get landscaping like this. This is just for modeling purposes, just a clean slate. So just a quick little disclaimer, so you don't come after me and say, hey, Ramiro, I don't get a backyard like that. You know, keep in mind, you know, my videos are solely to just demonstrate. And at the end of the day, I don't have control what the builders do. Things always are subject to change. And this door right here is right here. This is gonna be your main entrance. So let me come out here real quick. So you come here, you park right there in guest parking, or whoever's coming in. Yeah, they're gonna come in here and give you guys a ring. Anybody home? And then you open, they come in. Let me show you, they come in. This is what you see when you come in. Let me know if you would like something like that in the comments below. Definitely love to hear any feedback here on this first floor so far, and so far on this tour. And if you guys are enjoying this tour, guys, do me a huge favor, like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notification. Also, guys, really quick as we head upstairs, I wanted to share something important. If you're thinking about buying a new build home, it's critical to bring me or a trusted realtor with you on the first visit to the builder. If we're not there, guys, the builder will not allow us to help you later on. Not my rules, guys, builder's rules, but you know, people always ask me, saying like, hey, you know, like, why is it important to have your own realtor? Well, guys, at the end of the day, guys, we work for you, not the builder. While the builder's agents are awesome and super helpful, guys, at the end of the day, guys, who do they work for? I'm here just to make sure you get the best deal, guys, avoid any pitfalls, and protect your interests every step of the way, guys. So if you like me as your realtor, and I sure do hope so, that's why I do these tours, not JK, feel free to reach out anytime, guys. I'm here to help. I will have my contact info in the description below. So here we just came up through the stairs. Very interesting space right here. I don't know if you could put like a desk there or something. I don't know. But let me actually back up a little so you see. Then here off to the right, y'all guessed it, bedroom number 1. 8-foot ceilings upstairs. Then you're gonna get carpet all throughout. You're only gonna get the tile flooring if, see, my mind just went blank, had a brain fart, sorry. Just in the wet areas, like your bathrooms and laundry room. Here, laundry's downstairs, so obviously it's just gonna be the bathrooms. I'm not sure if I showed you this closet, but if I did, I do apologize. But here it is again, or maybe for the first time. Sometimes I get to talking and I forget at times. I'm human, guys. Please forgive me. But here's the bedroom number 2. Kind of like a baby nursery room. Pretty awesome. Kind of letting you know, hey, little first-time home buyers starting a family. This is a nice option. I mean, even if you're starting a family or not, everybody has their reasons. This is, like I said, if you're priced out of the single-family residential market, people are turning to townhomes, and I think if you want to be in this side of town, this is a nice option. But look at, here's what I was saying, you know, tile in the wet areas, single vanity, toilet, then you got your combination bath stand-up shower, prefabricated. But there it is. Now, let's go to the primary bathroom. Immediately here to the left is the bathroom, but let me show you the bedroom first. Here it is. I'm trying to avoid those speakers because when I upload these tours on YouTube, sometimes I get flagged. Like if there's music playing, they're like, hey, Ramiro, like that's copyright music. So I always try to avoid them. This is your primary, and then you have your primary closet right here. Not too shabby. Like it gets better. Got some shelf organized, put the shoes, whatever you like. Definitely digging that. Now, check out your modern bathroom. I absolutely love that it does have a dual vanity. And the reason I say that is because a lot of townhomes do only put a single vanity in the primary. Not the case here. So thank you, Harmony Homes, building some nice townhomes here for the consumers out there. Stand-up shower. Let me actually stand over here, show you. All right, guys, well, this concludes this property tour. Drop a comment below your thoughts on this floor plan. To be honest, this is my favorite unit here in this community. Obviously, that's just my opinion, guys. Yours might be different based on your preferences, your needs. Everybody's different, which this is why I love real estate. Some people may love it, some people hate it, some people are eh. So also, guys, if you guys would like to come schedule a private tour here in this community, reach out to me, or maybe there's another unit here that you want to check out, or maybe you're looking for a resale home or looking to sell your home. I'm an all-around agent, guys. Don't get confused. Just because I do these property tours, that's not all I focus on. I can help you on all your real estate needs. So anything I can do to help, guys, I will have my contact info in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out, and all I ask for you guys is to like this video, subscribe to my channel. That way it helps me continue to grow and put up these great, awesome tours, which I hope so. And also, if you don't want to miss any upcoming tours, then tap that bell for notifications. That way, when we do upload these tours, you guys receive the notification, and we'll always be up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area, whether you're here locally, out of state, out the country. This is why I do it, for you guys to be conveniently at home watching these tours, and hopefully to give me a call. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, guys.